In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install SSL certificate on GoDaddy cPanel. Full guide. By the end, your site will be secured with HTTPS, giving visitors that reassuring padlock and protecting data in transit. Before we begin, make sure you have your SSL certificate file, typically a .crt from your certificate provider, saved on your computer. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account and heading to your products area. Click your profile icon at the top to confirm you're in the correct account, then open My Products. This page lists your domains and hosting, so it's a handy place to confirm you're working with the right domain. Under Domains, choose Manage All to open your domain portfolio. Take a moment to identify the domain you want to secure. Next, click DNS. We're not changing records here. This view simply helps verify that the domain you're focusing on is correct and active, which avoids installing a certificate on the wrong site. Now locate your hosting plan for that domain and click cPanel Admin to open your cPanel dashboard. In cPanel, scroll to the Security section and select SSL TLS. This area is where you add, store, and apply SSL materials to your site. First, upload your certificate. Under Certificates CRT, choose the option to upload a new certificate. Browse to your .crt file, select it, and upload. If your provider issued an intermediate or bundle file, cPanel often detects it automatically when you later pick the certificate for installation. If you have multiple certificates, name or label them clearly so you can recognize the right one during the next step. With the certificate uploaded, go to Manage SSL Sites within the SSL TLS area. Select your domain from the list, click Browse Certificates, choose the certificate you just uploaded, and let cPanel autofill the fields. You should see the certificate details appear, and in many cases the matching private key and CA bundle will populate as well. When everything looks correct, click Install Certificate, give it a moment to complete. You should see a success confirmation when it's done. That's the full process. You logged in, navigated to your products, confirmed the domain, moved into cPanel, uploaded the .crt, and installed it on the correct site. If your interface looks slightly different, it may be due to theme or account updates, but the labels and locations are generally the same. Once installed, your site will begin serving the new certificate, and browsers should recognize it without any further action. If you manage additional domains, simply repeat these steps for each one.